Okay, we're going to show you how to quickly and easily replace a prop on your GPS shadow drone. If you look at this prop right here from this angle, you can see that it's a little bent right here. First, make sure you remove the battery so you don't accidentally turn this thing on. Then you're going to take this little cap off of here. It does take a little bit of force, but it just pulls right off. And look around until you see a screw head. See it right there? This requires the kind of screwdrivers you use for eyeglasses. If you don't have any of those and you don't know where to get any, I will put a link in the description of this video to a set you can order that has a small enough Phillips screwdriver to get this little screw out. Be very careful because it is very small and easy to lose. Okay, and unnecessarily long, apparently. There we go. There's that little sucker. Set it where you know it's not going to get knocked off. And then this like little hub comes off right there with your screw. There's also a little washer that's going to come off with it. Don't lose that. And then you can finally, you may have to push down on the axle while you pull up the prop. See the crack right here on the prop? In your original box, there's a little bag with some spare props. But if you've already run out of those, or if you're afraid you're going to run out of those, I'll put a link in the description to a set of props. There are some little teeth right here. And then the bottom of the prop looks kind of like a socket that you can use in a socket set on auto repair. But it's 6-point, not 12-point. And it just, once you get it right, it slips right down on there. Then the washer. Then this little hub spacer. And you've got to turn that around. Oh gosh, I'm going to have to get some better glasses. That is tiny. You got to turn that around where it lines up before you can get your screw in there. Sorry, I had to turn the camera off for a second and use both hands to get this tiny little screw started. Make sure when you think you've got it started that you're in both the little hub or spacer, whatever you want to call it, and through the shaft. Okay, don't be trying to get this too tight. I'm just barely holding it with my fingers here because it's a very tiny little sensitive screw. And now for the hubcap. If we can find it, if I haven't knocked it in the floor. Lost it in the mess. Here it goes. Drum roll, please. Bang. Done. Mission complete. Now we have a new prop. And we can fly again. Let's go get some epic drone footage. Like, subscribe, and comment. Put any questions you have down below. And until next week, get off the couch and get dirty.